Are you tirelessly spinning your wheels but never really getting anywhere financially? Welcome to Investor Web. Today, we're unveiling the curtain on a pressing issue: the 10 habits that may be keeping you broke and tired. Often it's not just about how much you earn, but how you manage your energy and finances that dictates your economic health. From daily expenditures to energy mismanagement, we'll explore the pitfalls that can drain your wallet and your vitality. Stay tuned as we delve into the habits that might be keeping you broke and tired. First on our list, the daily latte effect. Imagine this: every morning on the way to work, you swing by your favorite coffee shop and pick up a latte. It seems like a small indulgence, right? Just £3.50 a pop. However, let's do a bit of maths here. If you're buying a latte every workday, that's about £25 a week. Multiply that by 52 weeks in a year, and you're spending £1,300 annually on just your morning coffee. Now, consider the alternative. What if you invested that £1,300 each year into a low-cost index fund? Over the course of 10 years, with an average annual return of 7%, you could be looking at a return significantly larger than your initial outlay, thanks to the magic of compound interest. It's not just about coffee, of course. This principle applies to any regular, seemingly minor expense. Small leaks can sink a great ship. Keep an eye on your daily expenditures. Next, let's tackle the minimum payment trap. Imagine you have a credit card balance of £5,000. With an interest rate of 18% per annum, making only the minimum payment each month might seem manageable at first. But here's the twist. By doing so, you are essentially extending your debt over years, perhaps even decades, and significantly increasing the total amount of interest you pay. Let's break it down. If you choose to pay only the minimum, often calculated as interest plus 1% of the balance, you might end up paying around £100 a month. However, at this rate, it would take you more than a staggering 15 years to clear your debt. During this time, the total interest paid would nearly double the original amount owed. Now consider increasing your monthly payment by just £50. This slight increase can dramatically reduce the repayment period and the total interest paid, liberating you from debt's grip much sooner. Always aim to pay more than the minimum to escape the high interest trap faster. Now, let's talk about energy drainers. In the hustle of daily life, it's easy to fall prey to activities that sap our energy. Take excessive social media browsing, for instance. It's not just a time sink, it drains mental energy, leaving you less focused and productive. Or consider the impact of neglecting your physical health. Poor diet, lack of exercise, and insufficient sleep can lead to decreased energy levels, which in turn affects your ability to make sound financial decisions. When you're tired, your brain looks for shortcuts. Unfortunately, these often lead to impulsive purchases, neglected budgets, and poor financial planning. It's a subtle cycle, but a detrimental one. The less energy you have, the less capable you are of managing your finances effectively. To turn this around, start integrating more energy-conserving habits into your daily routine. Prioritize sleep, nourish your body with healthy foods, and allocate specific times to check social media, rather than allowing it to fragment your day. Boost your energy levels to boost your financial health. Moving on to the brand trap. In a world where brand logos are often seen as status symbols, it's easy to fall into the trap of paying premium prices for brand name products. But let's delve deeper and see what choosing generic or store brands can do for your wallet. Take, for instance, medication. A branded bottle of painkillers might cost £20, while its generic counterpart, containing the same active ingredients, costs merely £5. Over the course of a year, opting for the generic could save you a substantial amount. Now let's consider groceries. By switching from brand name products to store brands, you could trim up to 30% off your grocery bills. That's not pocket change, that's a potential holiday fund. The pull of brands isn't just about the physical products, but the psychological allure they hold. The satisfaction derived from a well-known brand can often be psychological, influenced heavily by marketing rather than quality. Remember, expensive doesn't always mean better. Number 5, neglecting financial education. In the vast landscape of personal finance, neglecting financial education is akin to navigating a ship without a compass. This crucial aspect is often overlooked, yet it holds the key to unlocking financial freedom. Understanding the basics of budgeting, investing, and the economy isn't just about managing money. It's about making money work for you. Consider this: the world of finance is ever evolving, with new trends, technologies, and theories emerging constantly. By not staying informed, you're not just standing still, you're falling behind. Engaging with a variety of resources can dramatically change this trajectory. Books that demystify financial jargon, podcasts that delve into market trends, and courses that teach investment strategies can all be invaluable. Moreover, financial literacy empowers you to make informed decisions, avoid common pitfalls, and recognize opportunities that could amplify your wealth. Invest in your financial literacy, your wallet will thank you. Let's explore the convenience cost. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is often seen as a necessity rather than a luxury. From ordering takeout for dinner to catching a quick ride via an app, the allure of saving time is undeniable. However, these conveniences come at a price, and it's often your wallet that feels the pinch. Consider this: opting for a ride-sharing service every day instead of using public transportation can add up quickly. Similarly, buying lunch every workday instead of preparing meals at home can significantly inflate your monthly expenses. These choices, while convenient, can quietly drain your finances without offering substantial value in return. To counteract this, start by planning meals for the week and cooking in bulk. Use public transport or carpool where possible. It's about making small adjustments that can lead to substantial financial gains. Remember, convenience often comes with an invisible cost. By taking a moment to plan and prepare, not only do you save money, but you also gain control over your daily routine. Sometimes a little effort can lead to big savings. Next up, misunderstanding rest. In the hustle of daily life, it's easy to overlook the financial implications of skimping on sleep. Consider this: a well-rested mind is a sharp tool in your financial toolkit. Lack of sleep often leads to clouded judgment and hasty decisions, particularly about purchases or investments that might seem appealing in a fatigued state, but regrettable in hindsight. Moreover, our performance at work is intimately tied to how well we rest. A tired mind struggles with concentration, creativity, and efficiency. This can translate to slower career progression or even mistakes that could cost you your job. On the flip side, being well-rested enhances your productivity and decision-making capabilities, potentially leading to promotions and better financial opportunities. So how can you improve your rest? Establish a regular sleep schedule, create a calming bedtime routine, and consider relaxation techniques like meditation or light exercise in the evening. Rest well to perform well. Now, beware of lifestyle inflation. It's human nature to want to upgrade one's lifestyle as income grows. A promotion here, a bonus there, and suddenly it's goodbye old sedan, hello shiny new SUV. But here's the rub. As delightful as these upgrades feel, they can quietly erode financial health. Imagine this: every time a paycheck swells, so do the expenditures: bigger homes, fancier vacations, pricier dining spots. The danger is not in the desire for better, but in allowing expenses to climb unchecked. This is lifestyle inflation, and it can keep one's savings from growing no matter how much the income does. So what's the strategy? First, recognize the difference between wants and needs. Keep a stern eye on budget adjustments. Allow for treats and upgrades, but within a framework that ensures savings grow too. Set aside a portion of any income increase directly into savings or investments before adjusting the lifestyle budget. Don't let your expenses rise with your income. Finally, ignoring insurance. In the labyrinth of financial decisions, one often overlooked alley is insurance. It's tempting to skimp on or entirely skip out on insurance to save a few pounds each month. But the reality is, this can lead to monumental financial disasters. Without adequate insurance coverage, a single unforeseen event, a health crisis, a car accident, or a natural disaster, can quickly drain savings and plunge one into debt. Consider health insurance, for instance. It stands as a bulwark against exorbitant medical bills that could otherwise wipe out years of savings. Similarly, home insurance protects one of your most significant investments, your home, from unforeseen calamities. And let's not forget about car insurance, which not only covers repairs but also safeguards against liability in accidents. Additionally, integrating an emergency fund into your financial plan offers an extra layer of security, ensuring that you're prepared for life's unpredictable moments without having to lean on credit. Proper insurance can be your financial safety net. There you have it, 10 habits that could be keeping you broke and tired. From the daily indulgence of a latte to the pitfalls of paying only the minimum on credit cards. We've explored how brand loyalty and convenience shopping can swiftly drain your wallet, and why neglecting financial education can cost you dearly. Reflect on these points, reassess your daily choices, and consider the adjustments needed for a healthier financial future. Subscribe to Investor Web for more insights and tips to enhance your financial and personal well-being. Remember, every step you take towards financial literacy counts.